Wait, this might be an opportunity of a lifetime, and only a few will participate. Stay on to the end of this video and I will give you the exact steps needed to take advantage of this and also the exact strategy. As we all know, there's been a lot of speculation around cryptocurrency ever since the new administration took office, especially around Bitcoin. I have a few clips from a few Bitcoin experts explaining why they see more life-changing gains in the near future.
I think it's clear at this point that Bitcoin is a better form of money than gold. It is provably scarce, just like gold, but it's more portable and divisible. So you can actually use it. Has higher utility, I would say. And it was the best performing asset of the last 10 years. And so for store of value, I think it's going to be important for governments to hold this over time. It might start with being 1% of their reserves, but I think over time it'll come to be equal to or greater than gold reserves.
Okay, I did. Again, to get market exposure. The momentum was undeniable, so I bought it below 90, and I'm riding it. I think it's got real legs now. We haven't heard anything about regulation lately. That will come. So I'm going to stay there for a little bit. Momentum dies, I'll reconsider.
You own it as well, right?
Yeah, 75 basis point position in portfolios. It's really an alpha play. This thing could really start to get going. It's good running into some resistance at the end of January level. The House is moving to pass to vote on a bill about pegging some cryptocurrencies against or stablecoins against the dollar. So
what will eventually happen to U.S. dollar dominance?
Yeah, I eventually think that we will no longer have U.S. dollar dominance over the long period, but that's over a long period of time.
A ballpark estimate of how, when Bitcoin will replace the US dollar?
10 years, something like that. It may be a little less because there will be a moment. I mean, the good news here is that banks can now hold your Bitcoin and your fiat currency. And so if you desperately, you see it on social media, hey, we got to get rid of our dollars, we got to buy Bitcoin. You can do it pretty quickly online, but you don't want to be, in line at the banks trying to get your dollars out to put them into Bitcoin when there is a transformation.
Yes, so we have always had a 2030 target, the base case in the 700 to 750,000 range, the bull case in the $1.5 million range. David Puel, our analyst and our on-chain analyst, put that piece out recently, and you can see the building blocks, how much share we expect Bitcoin to either take from gold or grow that store of value market. Institutions moving in, and they've barely moved in. We have 1 million more coins, roughly, to be minted ever, and institutions are just testing the waters right now. And then there's the emerging market use case as well. So we think we have miles to go. Yes.
I would recommend getting in before all the banks start offering it. The amount of money that's going to be poured into Bitcoin is going to be ridiculous. And yes, I know it is a volatile asset and can cause some stomach pain. And this is why I would recommend this strategy. Number one, find a trusted broker that offers Bitcoin. And then number two, schedule weekly, monthly, or quarterly purchases that would then debit your personal bank account automatically. And number three, forget about it for the next 10 to 20 years. And that can potentially provide you with some life-changing return. This is called dollar cost averaging. Some brokers will let you start with as little as $5 or $10 per month. Before you invest in anything, please do your own personal research and do your due diligence and only use money you can't afford to lose. That's it for today, folks. Thank you for tuning in and click on the link below for the free stock community, and see you next time.